The Conti NGC comes with adaptive pre-infusion. Adjustable pre-infusion volumes and times enable you to extract more flavours and improve consistency. To access pre-brewing settings, enter Eco Mode by pressing and holding button 5 on the left side group, then press button 3 at the same time. Now press button 5 to access the main menu, scroll right to highlight the cup icon, and press button 5 to give access to the coffee quality menu. Scroll down to pre-brewing and then press button 5 to edit. Turn on pre-brewing by pressing button 5 to change the slider. You will now see the pre-brew volume settings. The pre-brewing volume is the amount of water used to saturate the coffee pot and start extraction. You can adjust each individually by scrolling down and pressing button 5 to edit. Then to save the new volume, press button 5 again. If you scroll beyond 2 coffee, you will move to the infusion settings. This setting determines how long the coffee will be left to pre-infuse before the full shot dose is delivered. You can adjust these in the same way as the pre-brewing volume. For help with pre-infusion times, please speak to your coffee supplier. Once you've set all the settings, press button 3 times to go back to Eco Mode. When the menu guide disappears, press button 3 to exit Eco Mode. This concludes the pre-infusion settings on the Conti NGC. For more tutorials you might find useful, why not visit the NGC playlist on our YouTube channel.